Yes, welcome to this episode of this project. Today we are going to learn how to roof. We are going to do a hipped roof to this house. To start with, let us start by having our ceiling. So when we want to do the ceiling, we go under ceiling plan, this side on our right, in this project browse. Under ceiling plan, we look for ground, we open the ground floor level. So this is our ceiling plan. This is where we are going to have our ceiling. So if you want to do the ceiling, you come to architecture. You click on architecture, there is ceiling here. You open, you click on it, it opens the ceiling. So what we always do, never forget to duplicate, because that means we want to customize our own ceiling. You want to give it the material, the finishing. Yeah. So we edit type. When you want to check, it has these ceilings, but we can edit type. We duplicate. We can call it gypsum ceiling. You can just name it as gypsum ceiling. Then I say okay. I edit type. I can make it 50 millimeter thick. So I can give the finish, that is the lower finish, can give it 10. Then the structure, that is the material, I can give it 40 to have a total of 50. Let me move this one up. I change this to finish. Then this structure. So for the finish, I can have it as just concrete maybe. I change its material. Yes, remember we already have the concrete material, so we may not have to duplicate again. We can just type in here concrete. We have it here, concrete. So our material will be concrete. Then for the finish, it is already gypsum wall board. That is okay. We can go with that. I click on OK, apply, OK. So that is our new ceiling. So there are two methods of constructing the ceiling. There is this automatic ceiling, whereby it senses the spaces the way you're seeing, then you click, it appears. Then this one is for sketching. Yeah, you sketch it out. So but since we already have our walls, we are going to automatically place the ceiling. So we give it a height from the ground floor. We give it 3 meters. 3 meters. Remember, our wall height is 3.5. So we can give it 3.2. I like high ceilings. 3.2. Then I come, I place automatic. You left click, 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 left click. In all the spaces. So let me check the 3D. I see which space. So I've not placed at this veranda. So I come back, I place there. Yes, so there we have our ceiling. We have our ceiling on our building. So the next thing is the roof now. So for the roof, same procedures. For the roof, we shall draw it on the floor plans. We can go on our roof level. This is the roof level. Then we come under architecture. There is roof here. You click on it. You drop down. You are going to get any roof. Then we duplicate it, give it material. We can select any of these. We can just leave this. We can have this basic roof generic, the 500mm. We edit its type. We duplicate. We can name our roof as, we can say Kajansi tiles. Kajansi tile roof, something like that. Tile roof. We say okay. We edit its type. We shall need 2 layers. We insert another layer. Can push it up so that is in the middle. So this will be finish. Then this is the structure. For the finish, we are going to give it iron sheets. Then this will be timber. For the timber, we can give it 125. Then I can give the timber, the iron sheets 25 to have a total of 150. I come to the material. So for iron sheets, I don't think we have them, so we are going to duplicate. You come here, you create new material. This is a default new material. We rename it, give it a name of maybe roof tiles. Appearance libraries, change from here. Appearance library, you come and look through under roofing. You tap under roofing, they'll give you different roofs. So you are going to choose any. You can go with these Spanish tiles red. Click on this, it appears under graphics display. You're going to use the render. We tick this render appearance. Under graphics, yeah, we can leave that for now. We apply, we say okay. Then for the material, then for the structure, we can, let me see if we have gypsum here. Here there is already gypsum. We can go with this gypsum board. Say okay, apply, okay. So this is our roof we have edited. So there are many ways we can draw it. We can either pick lines or we draw. For this case, the easiest, we are going to pick lines, but we have to offset the overhang. Yeah, we have to offset the overhang. We can give it 600 standard, 600. We come and pick, click pick lines, offset 600. So we come and pick lines. We are doing a hipped roof. You pick on the exterior wall surfaces. Don't forget that. see this. Yes, we pick. So we are going to cut this one because we need it also this side and also this one. So we come here this is a split tool, or you can type SL on your keyboard to activate it. So you click on that. We are going to split this one and split this one as well. Then we join the edges. The edges, we join them by this. Join them perpendicular to each other. We use this extend trim, or you can type TR on your keyboard. You can type TR on your keyboard to activate it. So you join this to this, join this to this, join this to this. So we split this so that we leave also this one for this side. So you split this, you join this to this, join this to this, join this with this, join this with this, join this with this, join this with this. So our roof is done. The angle, the slope angle is here. It is 30. You can change it, yeah, depending. But for the hipped roofs, yeah, you can do between 25 to 30. It is okay. We can tick. Then we come in our 3D. This is our roof we have created. Wow, house is looking nice. And this is our roof we have created in the 3D. Then on the roof plan, this is what you will see, but the cut plane is low. That's why you see our roof is being cut like this. So what do? We want to adjust it to be up, the cutting plane, so that we can fully see our roof. You press VR on your keyboard for view range. That means what we are viewing. So we change this to 2 meters. We apply. It is still being cut. So we have to increase this first one maybe to 3 meters from the roof level. This one is not, this offset from the cut plane is not supposed to go higher than the offset from the roof level. So we can give this 2.5. It is still cut. 3 meters. It is still cut. So you change it to 3.2. It will not accept. You see, because it's supposed to be lower than this one. So we shall increase this to 3.5. You can play with this 3.5. We apply. I think this is okay. Yes. So now roof plan, we can see our roof entirely. If we don't want to see the tracing of the lower ceiling plan, which we are seeing here, but we want to hide it and only remain with seeing the what? The roof. What do? We come here where there is underlay, base underlay. You tap on it, you say none. That means you don't want to see anything. But it is having ground floor. That means we are seeing, it is tracing the ground floor plan. So you say none, then you apply okay. So let us check on the 3D. This is what we have on our 3D. The next thing missing, what that we can add on our roof. We can add on the gutters, then the fascia board at the same time. So when you come here under roof and you drop down, there is a roof soffit, there is roof fascia, then the roof gutter. If you want to add the fascia board, you come here, the soffit, you come here. Now for this time, let us start with the soffit. So when you click on it, we are going to edit type the same way. Come to edit type, you duplicate, you name it as roof soffit. Roof soffit. You say okay. You edit its type. The thickness, it can be 25 or you can make it 50. Then the material, we can give it gypsum steel, gypsum board. You say okay, okay, apply, okay. We go to our roof level. There is also this, but you go to the roof level of the plan. But now where you can't see where we are going to trace it from. So what do? We come back to our underlay so that we can see what is down. So that we can see what is down and we have it drawn. Or you can draw it from here. We already know the offset. We can draw it from here. The offset is 600. So you come. It has two methods of drawing. This one is for picking. We can pick roof edges in 3D, or you pick walls, or you pick lines. I prefer picking lines, but we can try picking the edges. So you just click on that. It has picked already, as you can see. So it has picked, but we need to crop inside because the soffit is going to be outside. We don't want it to interrupt with our ceiling, the one we have already done. So you come to our roof level. Come to our roof level. We are going to offset. This is the offset tool, or you press OF on your keyboard. So we are going to offset the lines inside because we don't want it to interrupt with our ceiling. So we do this, 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 this. We do this, we do this, we do this, we have this. Then we join them together. Make sure the lines don't cross each other. We have to close all the loops. Close all the loops. So it is on 00 ground floor. So from ground floor, we can have them at, let's first do 3 meters with T and C. We cannot have overlapping lines, meaning the lines which are overlapping. So we come and check. Actually, it shows you in yellow. When you tick, it shows you this is where an error is. So you come and click on continue. come and delete one. I've deleted one, meaning there were two. You tick, same thing, say continue, you delete one, Ctrl Z. This means this last one, we clicked on it 2 times. It has, so we delete all one. Click on one, press delete. Click on one, press delete. It has to be one line, one single line. So we tick it as accepted. You come to 3D. You're seeing where our soffit is, but we want it to sit here. So we are going to add it up. It is 3 meters. We can say 3.5. 3.5. 3.5. We are there. Or you can go in the elevation so that we can drag it. Come here. You move it down. Yes, that is our soffit. Come here, you see it in the 3D. It is there. Then we need also, we can put also a fascia board, but for this case, we already have the fascia board. But you can come here under roof, you drop down, click on the fascia, you come and place. The ones there we have in here, they are in green, so you have to duplicate this one. You edit type, duplicate, you can leave it as fascia 2, you say okay. So the material, you come, you change material, you give it gypsum board, you say okay, apply, okay. So there we go. You click on it, you copy similar, come here, we just pick the faces of the roof, and our fascia board will appear. As simple as this. Yes, there we go. We are done with the fascia board. We can add on gutters. You come under architecture, you drop under roof, there is gutter. The same way, you just pick, then the gutter appears. Our gutter is green. We can give it material, select on it, you edit type, just give it material. Let's look for steel. See if there is steel. There is metal stainless steel. We give it that material, we say okay, apply, okay. Save your project. You come, click on it, you copy similar, then we have, we draw our gutter the same way we have been picking. Yes, there we go. Our roof is done. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. Give me a like and the comment section for something you'd want to learn more about the roof design. Thank you so much. Till we meet in the next episode.